To set up, take both legs overhead, stretching long as you get there. Okay, now I'm going to ask Christina to find the place where she really feels balanced and two-way stretched as she sets up for the balance control. So reach through the arms and reach through the legs, and then move into position. You want the hands to actually actively hold on to the ankles to give you a resistance for the action of this leg reaching up. So it's evenly activated, going in both directions. Now use your center to control yourself as you switch to the other leg. So this, and ideally the timing happens together, right? So you don't kick one leg or grab one leg first, but that they're both moving through the air at the same rate, at the same time. That one lands in the hands as this one lands in the ceiling.